Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video. My name is Paolo and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, pag-usapan natin si Realme 9 Pro Plus. And para sa video na to, pag-usapan na rin natin para kanino ba si Realme 9 Pro Plus. So before we proceed, huge thanks to Realme Philippines for sending this one for us to unbox here and review on our channel. So disclaimer lang, pinadala nila sa akin to for unboxing and review. So this video is not sponsored by Realme Philippines. So, hindi ako magiging bias sa mga impressions ko and kung ano man yung masasabi ko about this cellphone. And if you are new here to my channel and napadaan ka lang, kindly subscribe to my channel for more contents like this and click the notification bell. Also, I am in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. So, links can be found down below. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so once opening the box, yung bubungad sa atin is meron siyang nakalagay na, hey, welcome to Realme family. And then removing it lang, we can see the Realme 9 Pro Plus itself. Checking on the contents of the box, a jelly case. I think it's a smoke gray jelly case. Yung SIM ejector tool and some important information guide and some manuals. And then here's the phone. Let's put that in the side first. Inside the box, we can see the super dark charger and the USB-A to USB-C cable. So that's it. Very straightforward unboxing. And now let's proceed to the build quality of this Realme 9 Pro Plus. For its dimension, it has 160.2 cm by 73.3 by 7.99 cm. It weighs around 182 grams. Available in sunrise blue and aurora green. So what we have here is obviously yung aurora green. For its overall design, it's a combination siya ng sharp, flat, at curved edges. So front and back, it's made of glass and plastic dun sa in between. And obviously, since its material is made of glass, so we can expect na yung back cover niya is fingerprint and smudge magnet. Okay, so let's talk about the display. So the screen type is Super AMOLED with a screen size of 6.4 inches and the resolution of 1080p. For the refresh rate, it can go up to 90 Hz. It also has fingerprint under display scanner, which doubles as a heart rate monitor sensor. Let's proceed naman with the audio. For the speakers, it has dual stereo speakers with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And as per Realme, it has Dolby High-Res audio.
I'm sorry, Stephen. I hope you understand.
Moving on to its system, the operating system is Android 12 using the Realme UI 3.0. The processor is MediaTek Dimensity 920. It has no SD card slot, so walang expansion, pero it comes with 128GB up to 256GB of storage. While yung RAM naman niya, yung pinaka-base model is 6GB of RAM, and it can go up to 8GB of RAM. For the connectivity, it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It also has 5.1 Bluetooth and this is already 5G enabled. For the battery, it has a non-removable 4,500 mAh, and since it has 60-watt super dark charger, it can charge up to 50% in 15 minutes. Okay, so let's get into the parts of the phone. So in front, obviously, we can see the front-facing camera on the upper left side. On the left side, we can see the container for the SIM, the volume up and down. On the right side, we can see the power button or sleep or wake button. Down below, we can see the 3.5mm jack, microphone, USB-C slot, and the speaker grills. And on top, we can see a one microphone. At the back, we can see the triple camera setup and the very futuristic aurora green design. Okay, so let's talk about the cameras of this Realme 9 Pro Plus. The main camera, it has 50 megapixels with OIS or optical image stabilization. It also has 8 megapixel for the ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel for the macro camera. And the selfie camera na 16 megapixels. With the specs and features out of the way, we can talk about naman yung real-life capabilities ni Realme 9 Pro Plus. First, let's talk about the video quality. So this Realme 9 Pro Plus can record up to 4K 30 FPS. So very capable siya for content creation. So I made this video right here using the Realme 9 Pro Plus nung nag-travel kami sa Boracay.
The following shots were taken using this Realme 9 Pro Plus.
Ayun, so nabitin ba kayo? And ito naman yung travel photos na na-capture using the Realme 9 Pro Plus. And for this next series of photos na na-capture ni Realme 9 Pro Plus, we can see na this phone is very capable for product photography. With all the pictures and the videos na napakita ko, we can see naman na talaga na very capable si Realme 9 Pro Plus for content creation. So if ikaw ay isang content creator na naghahanap ng phone that you can use for your content creation, then I think you can consider this Realme 9 Pro Plus. Okay, let's proceed naman on my thoughts about this Realme 9 Pro Plus. So for me, this is a perfect mid-range phone na sobrang very capable for content creation. So baka nagtataka kayo bakit pinupush ko tong Realme 9 Pro Plus for content creation. It's because most of its features talaga is for content creation. Though pwede nyo rin siya gamitin for gaming because it has 90Hz refresh rate. But there are other Realme phones out there that supports 120Hz. So for this one, I think yung features ni Realme 9 Pro Plus is concentrated talaga for using the phone as a content creator tool. Because yung mga features niya nagre-revolve talaga sa cameras. Which I think yun din yung intended ni Realme when creating this phone. So I think this is for content creators like me. So one example of its camera features is that it has yung street mode. So using the street mode, you can use the neon trail, light trail portrait, rush hour, and light painting. Perfect na perfect din siya for street photography and any artistic way of taking pictures. Meron din siyang night mode which sobrang powerful niya in dark environments without losing the quality. Kasi yung ibang phone na walang night mode or kahit may night mode sila, medyo nagiging noisy yung background or yung images. But using this one, sobrang ganda nung output nung feature na to. And one last thing that I like about this Realme 9 Pro Plus, actually I'm not sure if this is also available in other Realme phones, pero you can use it manually. So what does it mean? So you can use the manual function. Pwede ikaw mag-set nung ISO, shutter speed, and exposure, which for me is sobrang beneficial when you're taking photos. So hindi ka kailangan mag-rely dun sa automatic features nung phone, but you can set it up kung ano yung preference mo when you're taking photo or video. For me, having that kind of flexibility na ma-adjust ko yung settings nung pag-picture or pag-video ko, sobrang solid nun for me. Lastly, meron siyang ultra macro mode. So you can use the macro lens 4 cm from your subject and meron ka ng mga close-up images. So sobrang very capable ni Realme 9 Pro Plus from the ultra-wide, wide, and macro shots. Kaya naman, I believe this Realme 9 Pro Plus is really intended for content creators. Okay, so again, huge thanks to Realme Philippines for sending this one. Though yun lang, kailangan ko na siyang ibalik kasi pinahiram lang itong unit na to sa akin. So if you want to see more Realme products here on our channel, comment down below para gawa natin ang wave. So if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. Also, I announced a giveaway on my previous video, so it is still ongoing right now. So watch this video if you want to join that giveaway. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.